Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Right now we're taking a look at the summer squash, the yellow summer squash that we have, that we're growing in the exact same area where there was a tremendous amount of nematodes that went into the roots. So let's take a look at them. Today, by the way, is June the 13th, 2022. Now, right off the bat, I can tell you which ones are happy and doing okay and which ones are not too thrilled. Look at that one right there. I almost guarantee there's root knot nematodes messing with this one right here. So let's go in. Let's dig this up. We're gonna make a sacrifice here. We're gonna make a sacrifice. Yeah, look at that. That's the root knot nematode, folks. And they will just destroy your beautiful squash plants. Now, this location was on the very peripheral of the area, so I suspect that that's probably why these nematodes were able to get a hold of it. But they definitely do a lot of damage in a very short period of time. That's your root knot nematode right there. Horrible creatures for the summer squash. So we'll just leave that guy out. Let's take a look at the rest. They seem to be doing okay. This particular situation here has the lasagna layered soil, so basically 2 inches at the bottom all the way down to about 12 to 14 inches down. I've placed 2 inches of leaves and whatnot, organic material, then 1 inch of sand, another 2 inches of organic materials, leaves, and then more sand, and so on and so forth. I also placed a bunch of eggshells down there too to help possibly, prevent some root knot nematodes. But because of the organic materials in the soil, that's supposed to help attract all the beneficial bacteria, the beneficial nematodes, the beneficial fungi in this location for to keep away the root knot nematodes. So these plants look like they're doing amazing right now. But hopefully the root knot nematode loses the battle at this location. Now I'll show you too. I'm going to set up 2 control areas over here where we inoculate. I'm going to use the black walnut hull powder on one, and then I'm going to inoculate the other. These are lasagna layered, by the way, so they're ready to go. Just need to inoculate and then use the hull powder. So this is going to be inoculated with beneficial bacteria and beneficial fungi. Nematodes will come later. That's a down the road experiment, but for now I just want to keep it simple. Come with the beginning creatures. First you need organic material, then you need the fungi and the beneficial bacteria literally at the same time, and then they'll work to attract beneficial nematodes. Either that or you'll have to inoculate with those to get them in there to begin with. Now, the worst part about my yard, okay, is when they built this house 40-something years ago, they put a bunch of sandy fill on top of the organic soil that was here, the good stuff. So they filled it up, they put the fill all over the good stuff and covered it up with 6 to 8 feet of this garbage. See, that's what I'm dealing with here. How am I supposed to, you really got to work hard to make your soil amazing when it looks like this. So that's what we're dealing with, and pretty much everybody, if you live in Florida, this is what you're going to be dealing with. So we'll check and monitor these experiments when I get the products to be able to do them with going forward here. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe as it helps the channel grow. And stay tuned, because I'll provide you with updates on the progress of all these different experiments we got going on. Have a good day.